Hello friends, welcome back to 100 Seconds of Flavors and Knowledge. Today we talk about black pepper, its history, and some of its usage. Black pepper is a spice that has been used for thousands of years, and it is native to the Malabar coast of India. The small dried berries of the pepper plant, also known as peppercorns, are one of the most widely used spices in the world and are known for their sharp and pungent flavors. In ancient times, black pepper was highly valued, and it was even used as a form of currency. The spice was traded along the spice routes from India to the Roman Empire, where it quickly became popular. It was used in cooking, as a preservative, and for medicinal purposes. In the Middle Ages, black pepper was also used to season food in many European monasteries. Today, black pepper is still one of the most popular spices in the world, used in a wide range of cuisines, including Italian, Thai, Indian, Mexican, and many others. It is often used to add flavors to different soups, stews, marinades, and a variety of elaborate sauces, as well as to season different meats, fish, and vegetables. In addition to its culinary uses, black pepper is also used in traditional medicine to treat digestive problems and other ailments. Black pepper is also known for its potential health benefits, including its ability to improve digestion, boost the metabolism, and provide anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. However, it is important to note that more research is needed to fully understand the health benefits of black pepper, but we are still using it in our cooking every day, as we have been doing for the past 2,000 years. And that is 100 Seconds with Chef Walters on the Flavors and Knowledge.